Justice forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever.
We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
We are not happy. That's the message we are passing.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. By struggle. Freedom comes. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. By struggle. Freedom comes. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. By struggle. Freedom comes. Of the greatest Nigerian people.
Yes.
Let them know. We are just starting. We are just saying. Let me sing this song. It says, we just starting. We never begin.
I don't know, Rima.
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 We just starting. We never begin.
I don't know, Rima.
Yes, I intentionally sing that song so that they know that we have not started. Well, it's a good thing we are facing this side because this part we are facing Nigerians. We are trying to sensitize them as the reason why we are here. For this end, by the time we are going to be facing this end, it's going to be all war on defenders of the ruling class.
Yes.
By the time we are going to turn to this side, it's going to be all struggle against defenders of oppression.
Yes.
By the time we are going to be turning to this side, it's going to be all fight against defenders of looters and oppressors. That is what we are going to do. But for now, Nigerian people have to know the reason we are here. Well, we have fought this kind of character before.
Yes.
For the past many years of military dictatorship, before we came into the fraudulent civilian rule.
The people.
Yes, before we came into the fraudulent civilian rule. What are these people doing now? Gently. Nigerian activists, innocent Nigerians, were going about their daily dealings. And what were they doing? They are simply pasting the message of liberation.
Yes.
They are simply circulating the gospel of freedom.
Yes.
But like all societies,
Yes.
when the ruling class is about to collapse,
Yes.
when the fountains of oppression is about to fall,
Yes.
what do? What they do is to begin to resist.
Yes.
What they do is begin to put different resistance. And one of what they do is to begin to attempt at tyranny.
Yes.
And what they simply did was to take some of our comrades and put them in prison on trumped up charges. And the charges were even laughable. You know, some charges may be criminal. Some charges may be criminal, but they must be brilliantly criminal. You get it? But this is an act of illogicality. This is an act of illogicality.
Look at the rickety van.
Actually, they are the one we are fighting for because they don't pay there.
Imagine.
They don't pay them the kind of vehicles.
Animals, you know, if animals are placed in this kind of van, they would complain.
Well, as it stands now, we are allowing these vehicles to pass. But immediately we see a van that is carrying our convoy. It's going to be Operation Total Shutdown.
Shut down, yes.
That is the slogan. No vehicle is passing here, carrying our comrades, and will be allowed to leave. Activism is not criminal.
Yes.
Coming back to what we were saying. They were charging them on trumped up charges. What were the charges? They said it is illegal to post posters at night. To be specific, they said anytime beyond 12 midnight. Comrades, let us Nigerian people.
Yes.
May I ask you, is that in the Nigerian constitution?
No.
That law, is it not lawless?
Lawless law.
Such a law is a lawless law. And we rely on the preamble of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that whatsoever law that is inconsistent with the provisions of this Constitution shall, to the extent of the inconsistency, be rendered null and void. You see, the only lawless persons in this country is the APC and PDP.
Yes.
Everything they've been doing for the past 19 years is lawlessness.
Lawlessness.
Commercialization has been lawlessness. Privatization has been lawlessness. Because, and these are things the Take It Back movement and the African Action Congress have been battling. These are the reasons why we are contesting in this election. To push out all the likeliness of lawlessness. Well, comrades, we do not intend to browse into rhetoric. We do not intend to browse into rhetoric. We have not started.
We have never seen anything.
Well, not to browse into rhetoric. Every Nigerian here can connect with the surface of Nigerians. He knows what is happening, so we may need not to talk much. And that is why we want to go back shortly into direction. Oh yeah, let's go. Aluta meta lawa yoshe. Aluta meta lawa yoshe. Aluta meta lawa yoshe. Aluta meta lawa yoshe. Consultation, consolidation, látòlé wọn lérè. Aluta mẹ́ta làwa yóò ṣe. Ọlọ́nà ẹgbẹ́rin aluta mẹ́ta làwa yóò ṣe. Aluta mẹ́ta làwa yóò ṣe. Consultation, consolidation, látòlé wọn lérè. Aluta mẹ́ta làwa yóò ṣe.
Greatest Nigerian people. Great. Articulate Nigerian people.
Articulate.
Ever conscious Nigerian people.
Ever conscious.
Ever militant Nigerian people.
Ever militant.
Ever reasonable Nigerian people.
Ever reasonable.
Ever patriotic Nigerian people.
Ever
connected Nigerian people. Brothers Nigerian people, articulate Nigerian people. Okay, the word articulate is already bastardized. Yes. So for some of us, we don't want to use that word again.
Yes.
Yes, that one. Yeah, ever conscious Nigerian people.
Ever conscious.
Information. As our comrade has said earlier, that we are here to demand the release of 6 patriotic Nigerians. 6 patriotic citizens of Nigeria who they have only done is to paste posters to publicize the message of revolution.
Yes.
Their only offense is that they pasted posters to say bye-bye to the undemocratic rule, bye-bye to the civilian dictatorship of APC and PDP. What they have only passed across is a simple message that the ruling class that have held at the jugular, the resources, the dignity of Nigeria, that the ruling class should be served the memo of their expiration date. That is what they have done. But comrades, let's be clear. The information getting to us now is that they will be arraigned in court today. Our comrade has gone inside and has been denied access. We know all of these, their antics. And immediately, the stupid police officer yesterday,
Very useless people.
very useless,
Yes.
posted their press release saying that they pasted posters and they were yanking off posters. Some of us already knew what they were going to do. That if we are not careful in this country, police officers are already politicians. Police officers are already with the ruling class.
Yeah.
The next thing that is expected, the only thing that is expected here is for us to see APC Police Area Command, Ikeja. The only thing is that they should start putting on APC uniform because already they are sent. Please check if our comments are there, they are not going. Already they are attending APC rallies where you have the IG, the Inspector General of Police attending police APC rallies.
They are not
We should know that we are in problem. So comrades, listen to this information, please. The information is this, comrades. The information is this, that they will come out to frustrate us so that we would go violent. Please, listen to this information. Listen to this information I just got now. The information is that they will start coming out like this one by one to make sure that they infuriate us so that we can go violent. Yeah. Brothers, Nigerian people,
Yes.
ever conscious Nigerian people.
Ever conscious.
So what the African Action Congress? No. They cannot dictate. That is that. Please don't. Please comrades, be guided.
They cannot dictate our freedom and our.
This is it.
Dictate our freedom for us.
This
They
is
cannot dictate our freedom for us. You cannot dictate our freedom for
the
us.
distraction. This is the distraction I was talking about.
You cannot dictate our
Comrades,
freedom for us.
comrades, comrades. This is the distraction I was talking about. You cannot beat a child. Listen carefully, officer. You cannot beat a child and now dictate how the child will cry. You can only do one. It's either you beat the child and you leave the child to cry. You have dealt with us and we are out here to tell you that we will cry anyhow. And you cannot tell us how to cry. You cannot determine when we will cry. You cannot determine the length of our cry. So that is the difference here. This is it belongs to Nigerians. So what we are saying is very simple. Release our comrades. Or you take all of us. Officer, it's better you just back all of us in. Let's just go. We are ready to go to prison because we understand the game you are playing.
Do not be distracted, comrades!
Nothing shall discourage us.
Nothing shall discourage us! Nothing shall discourage us! Nothing shall discourage us!
Police can't discourage us.
Nothing shall discourage us!
Police can't discourage us.
Nothing shall discourage us!
Guns can't discourage us. A luta continua, Victoria Santa, Amalawe to nothing shall discourage us. Police can't discourage us.
Police can discourage us.
Guns can't discourage us.
Guns can discourage us.
A luta continua, Victoria Santa, Amalawe to nothing shall discourage us. Police can't discourage us.
Police can discourage us.
Police can't intimidate us. Police cannot harass us. Hey, Aluta Kosiwa, Victoria Santa. Champagne, Matomborada.
They said it's legal. They said it's legal to protest in front of police station.
No going back. We are taking it back, no going back. This is Nigeria. Nigeria is for Nigerians.
Nigeria is for Nigeria.
Nigeria is for Nigerians. Nigeria is for Nigerians. Enough of oppressors. Trying to man the suffer enough in condition. Suffer in fit up condition too. Man the suffer enough fit up condition. Man the suffer in fit up condition too. Suffer the Africa ba. I suffer ba. Condition we continue to be African man. And you may suffer which condition you may I don't know. My condition me I know.
It is our comrade! It is our comrade!
And you know making a PR to your very well and you have to feel how you have it. One thing he said, go be with me and you come to I see the feel. Remember, if you go at your home one day, of course we go die. Although Nigeria got his money, foreign money from overseas. Nigeria got his money. They said
they should come and shoot us.
Bring your gun! Bring your gun!
Radio, they shout to festival. I'm about to go on the police. Yeah, you are looking at the job. Every government is great. 70 billion naira to see. They see it from all overseas. Foreign currencies and cash. They start to harass everybody. You're not finishing, not finishing, not finishing, not finishing, not finishing, not finishing. After you hear this little talk, after you get this little talk, if you like it good, if you don't like it bad, if you like it good, if you don't like it bad, if you want to go die, you will die for nothing. Then go carry your body go police station, you die wrongfully. Nigeria will be Nigeria must be release our comrades, release Nigerians. Nigeria is for Nigerians.
Yeah, that's it.
Nigeria is not for cabals. Nigeria is not for godfathers. Nigeria is not for some people of idiots. This is our land. This is where we were born. And we must live here. And we must have our rights. You can't just come from nowhere and be dictated to us. You can't just come from our freedom of movement. Nigeria must move forward. Enough of oppression. Enough of this limitation. I will not be police particular. I will not want to place particular. See, police particular. If you get that.
Why are you going to put it down?
If you not get that.
Release of
Yeah. Police are not politicians. Police are not politicians. Police are not politicians.
We are not compromising. They must release our complaint. Police, not politicians.
One day, of course, we will die.
Protest Nigerian people. Protest Nigerian people. Articulate, oh sorry. Revolutionary Nigerian people. We are not articulate.
We are not.
Just the way we have predicted, they are already behaving like that.
Yes.
Which is that they will come out to make us start doing things that we never planned to do. We are peaceful people. And look at what we are doing. We are allowing vehicular movements.
Yes.
So because police officers are full of lies,
They are the one not allowing vehicular movement. They lock the
they
gate.
lock their gates
They are the one
themselves.
not allowing it.
So let this be very clear to Nigerians that we are not obstructing vehicular movement.
They are the one of
We have brains in our head. We are not like these people. We are not like these people. So we are not blocking vehicular movement. So they are going in, they are the ones blocking vehicular movement themselves. But we are just here with just one demand. And the demand is that release our comrades. These are Nigerians. If police officers who are on guard must go, I was there.
Yes, we are here.
If police officers who were on guard, night duty, could watch Sanwo-Olu's poster as he was pasted here. This is Sanwo-Olu's poster.
They are the one who
here.
pasted
In
themselves.
fact, we will not be wrong to say they were the ones who pasted these posters themselves. I mean police officers.
Yes.
So if police officers could watch right in front of a police station that you have a poster of a politician, of different politicians, and you are not arresting them. But for African Action Congress and Take It Back movement, you are picking up our comrades because they are pasting posters close to APC and PDP posters. Then you must, something must be wrong with your head.
No, something's not wrong with their head. They are mad.
Okay, that's the correct
Yes,
word.
they are mad.
So what we are saying is that release our comrades. We understand the gimmicks the commissioner is playing with us. Release them. These are Nigerians who are more patriotic than Buhari, than Atiku combined together. Welcome to Area M Bank PLC.
Yes, area finish.
Chairman of this bank is the IG. The TPO is the chief accountant
Of this party.
Yeah, of Area M Bank PLC. You see, the only thing that is left is that this place should be renamed APC Police Station.
Yes.
That's the only thing that is left of our police. When you have police officers who are attending rallies of political parties, then we should know that there is big problem in this country. When you have the EFCC chairman going
on TV with the APC badge, you should know that there is problem. When you have service chiefs, I'm talking about military heads, going to programs of APC rally, then you should know that there is problem in this country. But for us, as conscious youth, as conscious Nigerians, we will not close our eyes, we will not fold our arms and watch democracy truncated in our own generation. And that is why we are calling on all Nigerians. Let them listen carefully. We have not started at all. We have not started at all. Comrades, have we started? Comrades, have we started? We have not started at all. These people you're seeing here are more conscious and more patriotic than Buhari, Atiku, everybody combined together. These are people who have stood their ground to fight for what is right in this country. So it is very clear that they are feeling the heat, that there is a credible alternative to the jargons of APC and PDP. And so what we are saying is that our comrades are not criminals. They have everything. Comrades, just don't be deceived. They have everything that is needed. I personally texted the Commissioner of Police yesterday. He did not reply. I texted the DCP. He did not reply. I called all of them. They will not reply. We understand what they are doing. So the only thing they can do, we are live. They are watching us everywhere in the world. But please, we want to advise you, police officers, comrades, brothers Nigerian people, we want to advise the police officers that please release our comrades and we leave this place. Anything short of that, please arrest all of us. It's as simple as that. See, take all of us.
Wait, let me wait. Police go shoot us, and we go give them murder. Say them like who not jealous. If they like me, then jealous. Forever we must fight, oh yes. We must fight, oh yes. We must fight. People, we must fight. Forever we must fight, oh yes. Police go shoot us, and we go give them murder. Say me like who not jealous. If they like me, then jealous. Forever we must fight, amen. We must fight, amen. We must fight. Comrades, we must fight. Forever we must fight. Revolution, revolution, we go carry more, then go run away. Revolution, 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 we go carry more, then go run away. Revolution, I said, Police are not politicians. Protect Nigerians. Protect Nigerians. Not the corrupt cabal. Police are not politicians. Protect Nigerians, not the cabal. Not the cabal.
There's an excuse. There's no case. Somebody look at Bosta, inside police station. Inside police station. Imagine. Pasta. Inside police station. So that Nigeria police training school because there's simple science time.
Me, I know say you be African man. And we dey suffer paparapa. Which condition somebody dey high?
Let them go. Let them
If the conditions today make you shake and you still make us stop you. Make you open up to your side. You still make you think before the day and night you do.
Okay, what is that?
Nigerian people!
happy greatest Nigerian people! Continue shooting! Continue shooting!
Zainab has been tear gassed and she's feeling very, very, very uncomfortable. Sorry, Zainab. That's Zainab over there. That's Zainab over there. As you can see, our people are being arrested. Our people are currently being arrested. They've dragged Comrade Joel, as you can see him over there. They've dragged our comrade. As you can see. We are being tear gassed. As you can see, we are currently being arraigned heavily and we are being disbanded by the police. Oh. You can see Comrade Joel, who was in charge, has been arraigned and been dragged into the station. Zainab, please move away from there, move away from there. That place is very concentrated. Echo like them, no to Please, Echo CB by. It's very calm. Echo Bay. Open Bay. Sorry. Ebose me by. Open Bay, Nada. Echo Bay. Sorry. As you can see, look, that's drying out. It's been tear gas and it's very terrible. Look at our members, we've all been tear gas and it is very terrible.
You can kill us, but you cannot kill our spirit. Nigeria is what Nigerian police have become in Nigeria.
Sorry, Zainab, sorry.
You can kill us, but you can't kill our spirit.
Sorry.
You can kill us, but you cannot kill our spirit.
Sorry, Zainab, sorry. They are pushing our vehicle inside. Don't allow them to collect the contract. No. Yeah.
No problem. And you think we are afraid of court? And you think we are afraid of court?
Senami.
Let everybody follow. Now they're taking Senami. Let them arrest everybody now.
Sorry, guys.
No, leave this. Let me know.
Nigerian police have become so useless.
One-on-one.
Nigerian police have become so useless. Nigeria is going to save all of us. The family will pay for this violence like this.
You want to show to your paymasters that you are working. Reason why you've been oppressing Nigerians, oppressing citizens. You people will pay for this Nigerian police. Release our comrades. This is the hands of what you can do.
Nigerian police have become so useless.
Useless people, useless animals. Arrest all of us. Arrest us.
Very soon. Don't be carried away. They are going to be sacked very soon. They are going to be sacked. Very soon. You will sack you. They are going to be sacked very soon. I'm going to leave here. Please come on, tell them. Come on, tell them. Yeah.
They have arrested Zainab.
Exactly.
Zainab has been arrested. Sarah reporters. They have arrested press. They've arrested press. Yes, they've arrested Zainab. They've arrested press as well. They've arrested Nelson.
Say let's go to headquarters. I told you.
They are coming. Where is the headquarters?
Because of police station, they are not arresting them. This is Nigeria we want. We won't afford. We won't fight ourselves.
Our people were arrested because they pasted posters close to NPC posters. Look at this place. We can have NPC posters posted in front of the police station, but they cannot do anything that will oppress them. You people are oppressors. You are oppressors.
Wọ́n ti arrest àwọn kí ló ń pè é. Wọ́n ti arrest Not because of their recording, they arrested on this. Station
The arrest.
Zainab is also.
still recording.
Yeah, it's still. I should leave it recording.
Let me call Senami. Hello, Senna. Should we all come inside? Should we all come inside? Should we all come inside? Should we all... Okay. Okay, okay.
You should all come inside.
No, before people go inside, people need to make report first at headquarters.
Anyways, they are seeing it online. Nigerians are seeing it. Everybody.
It's not only this one. I think headquarters, I need to know what is happening. Headquarters knows how to do it. I get you now. I just go now.
Who will be the one to?
Who will give report? It's not like this. I told you. Where is your...
You know what? Finish this video and start again. Save it. Wait, let's try it so that no matter what, that one is...
Where is your name?